Hello and welcome to the creation of a cost accounting modification transaction, or CAM, in AZ360. This is the first of 9 videos demonstrating this process. In this video we will cover the initial creation of a CAM transaction as well as the completion of the CAM header tab. In the training scenario we will be demonstrating we have received $300,000 in additional federal funding for the next budget period for the CDC grant. The new budget requires that the state cover 25% of the total program expenditures budgeted at $400,000. To apply this update in AZ360, we will modify the previously created cost structure for the CDC grant by creating a CAM. The CAM will update a descriptive field on the program record to demonstrate the CAM's ability to modify records. It will add a new program period for the major program to track the new budget year. And lastly, the CAM will add a new funding profile with reimbursement percentage splits of 75% and 25%. Note that a new CAM transaction should always be created whenever a cost structure needs to be modified. Do not copy previous CAMs. Copying previous CAMs can result in errors or out-of-date information being reintroduced to cost structures. Additionally, it is best practice to add a description of the desired changes in the transaction description field of the CAM header. This helps reviewers understand the purpose of the CAM. Bear in mind that examples provided in these videos are for demonstration purposes only. Agencies should always defer to departmental procedures and needs when creating these transactions. Okay, let's get started. As with the CAS creation videos, we will be demonstrating this process in one of our test environments, and the screen has been zoomed in for optimal viewing. Notice that we are on the AZ360 homepage, and the Grants and Cost Accounting business role has been selected in the top right of the screen. To create a new CAM transaction, we will navigate to the global search menu and we'll enter CAM. To do this, we will click the expand caret, ensure that page code has been selected, and in the global search menu, we will type in CAM, and we'll then select cost accounting modification from the drop-down that generates. The CAM financial transaction page then generates. We will click the create button in the top right. In the transaction department field, we will enter our 3-digit department code, in this case ADA. We will check off the auto numbering checkbox and then click continue. Notice that a new CAM transaction has generated and opens to the header tab. The transaction is in draft. The version number is 1. Function is new and status is held. Okay. On the header tab general information section, we will enter the purpose of the CAM. In this scenario, the transaction description exceeds the 60-character limit in the transaction description field, so we will be utilizing the extended description field as a result. We will navigate to this field by scrolling down, and in the extended description field we will type in the reason for the CAM. So in this case, modify cost structure for CDC grant, add new program period, and update split percentage. Okay. If you click this Show More caret, you can see that the Submit Budget Transactions option has been checked off. Keep in mind that is the default on CAM transactions. Okay, and we have completed the initial creation of a CAM transaction in the CAM header tab. Close this window to return to the CBT.